Okay, since, as Giorgio said, Giorgio spoke about the project and on a global level, and we'll trigger it down now to the national level, and what we're doing here in Cairo. We started, or we thought that under the auspices of the Ministry of Environment, to launch a national initiative. This national initiative for supporting entrepreneurs. It's a platform that will bring all players together, or all stakeholders, bring partners. It will, we thought that this is the way to shed a light on the most important challenges that entrepreneurs face and help them and support them in facing these challenges. It will also be a very good platform for exchanging information and experiences, which would definitely, again, be in support of the entrepreneurs. Also, having a platform of all partners, all stakeholders, or players in the field will definitely enhance the services that will be provided to the entrepreneurs. Because in this case, it will provide them with easy access to all supporters. What are the objectives of the NISE, or the National Initiative for Supporting Entrepreneurs? The objectives are, as you can guess, it's promoting green jobs, and by green we mean jobs that will support the environment in its production or on its services. It supports circular economy that Hussam has spoke about, and how we don't waste our resources, how we enforce the reuse of resources in the economy. It will enhance, of course, green entrepreneurship. It will introduce also, there's another part that maybe we didn't speak about, is blue economy. And by blue economy, we also mean entrepreneurs who are working with any kind of water resources, or protecting and enforcing the health of the water resources in our country. This initiative will also provide the entrepreneurship with the ecosystem, because they will be working with green and blue economy. And geographically, it covers all the way from Cairo all the way down to Upper Egypt, and that's why we called it SwitchMed down the Nile. Giorgio, at the end, had spoken quickly about the structure, or the way that the NISE, or this initiative, is going to work. And it's basically NISE, as I told you, it's a platform for partnership, and a platform that brings together people. So it's actually going to join a number of concepts, which is partnership, the entrepreneurs, and the capacity building. And here we mean by capacity building is the program or the structure of the project, where most of the trainers have been with us in the trainer of trainers. And these trainers are from different business support organizations, and these business support organizations will be providing the training to at least 10 to 20 entrepreneurs, from which there will be selected the best green or blue business idea, to end up at the end with 16 entrepreneurs that are ready to be incubated. They have a full green or blue business idea, and will be incubated by these business support organizations. Of course, on the partnership, I spoke about it, and this is it's a platform to bring all together. On the entrepreneurs, we are targeting, or we're hoping that we have at least 16 green entrepreneurs, and maybe 2 of them would be blue, at least. Let's hope. I have hopes that they might be more than that. What is the NISE, or let's say what is the structure of the NISE, or the National Initiative? As I told you, it's a platform that brings all partners and stakeholders together. And by stakeholders, I mean, as per the figure you can see, or the chart you see in front of you, it brings all businesses, all kinds of businesses in different fields, environmental, of course. It brings together the BSOs, or the business support organizations, as incubators, and even accelerators of already established startups. brings together the social society, civil society, as in NGOs and non-profit organizations. On the other hand, it also connects with the financial institutions. As Giorgio has mentioned also, that we aim to bring together all the entrepreneurs that have been incubated with a valid, solid idea to financial actors, and that's why we're bringing the financial actors and businesses in from the beginning of the initiative. Governmental organizations, as one of them is taking care of the NISE and the National Executive like Ministry of Environment, and all academias, all universities or any organization that's working in this field. Since we talked about that it's a platform and that we're bringing in partners, then this means there's a membership, or at least the initiative is for joining forces of different entities. We have created kind of an application, or it's like an intent for an approval of your intent that you would like to join this initiative and be an active partner in it and providing or supporting those entrepreneurs. And we have this is just a sample, and it will be available if you'd like to join, and we hope you will join by the end of this event. What is our action plan? Maybe we've talked about it during this, whether between Giorgio and me. We have our action plan started at the beginning of this year, and we started it with an assessment of all incubators, an assessment of all financial actors in this field, an assessment of what are the services or how can we support these entrepreneurs. And then we went on to train trainers so that we have all business support organizations have fully qualified, certified, accredited trainers on this toolbox that Giorgio mentioned. And today is the launch of this initiative. What are our next steps? Our next steps will be training all the entrepreneurs on this green business model or this toolbox so that they can register, apply, walk through the toolbox that would help them to develop their idea into a solid, validated idea. And once selected for incubation, they'll be incubated for 8 months by the different business support organizations. We'll provide them under our guidance and with all the incubation services that requires them to have a full, valid idea that when presented to financial actors, they are supported and funded by them. And at the end, we'll end with bringing together, mix and matching the financial actors with the entrepreneurs, and let's hope by then they will have such a good idea that they will all be funded by financial investors. These are some flyers. I just wanted to add color, green and blue, into the presentation. And we're going to have Facebook. We're going to have actually Facebook had started. We're going to have a website. You will be able to reach us by all means, not only by email or personalized, but the platform will be established through the Facebook and the website and LinkedIn. Oh, sorry. And thank you.